Is it possible to recover Instagram account after deleting? Hey guys, welcome back to another quick short tutorial video. In this short video, I'm going to show you how you can recover your Instagram account after deleting. So many of you guys asked me the same question, that's why I'm making this video. One of my viewers asked me, can I recover my Instagram account after deleting? If I have to say the answer in one sentence, then I will say, yes, you can, and also you never can. Then what does it mean? Is it making sense? Then wait, listen. If your account has been deleted for more than 30 days, then you will no longer be able to recover your Instagram account. But if it's not 30 days after deleting your Instagram account, then you can restore your account by just logging your Instagram account. So if it's not 30 days, then all you need to do just to make sure that you are connected to the internet, and once you are connected to the internet, then open your Instagram app and just log in your that Instagram account. And it is the process to recover your deleting Instagram account by just logging your Instagram account within 30 days. So I hope you understand the full process. If you think this video is useful, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel.